Welcome back to Daiji Kitchen for the roast show. The second recipe for today is the peanut holige. We also call them as puran polis. The ingredients required are 3/4 cup of wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of maida, pinch of salt, oil or ghee, 3/4 cup of peanuts, 2 tablespoons of white till, half cup of powdered jaggery, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder. To start with, let's take the mixing bowl and take this wheat flour, and to this let's add the maida, a pinch of salt, and make a small well here and pour some water into it, say less than half cup. Now let's knead this into a smooth dough. Just gently mix it with your fingertips. It's dry, so let's add some more water into it. And go on mixing. Knead it firmly. You can say like the chapati dough, we need the same consistency of the chapati. Few drops of ghee and knead it into a smooth dough. So it's very smooth, soft. Let's fold it this way. So that it mixes well and get into one lump. You can see it's very smooth. So now let us set it for some time aside. And in the meantime, let's prepare the filling. So we start with the preparation of the filling now. Let's take this till and slightly roast it on very slow flame. We need to just slightly roast it until slight golden brown and it slightly puffs up. We need to be very careful while roasting this. If it turns little brown, it will turn bitter. Yeah, it is crispy, nice. Transfer this to one bowl here. Now in the same pan, let's add these peanuts and roast them also slightly till they turn crispy. Say almost, you can say 3-4 minutes. Just keep on stirring. It's just dry roasting. They turn crispy. So we are done with the roasting of the peanuts. Also I will transfer this here and let this stand for say few minutes. Let it cool. We have to grind this again coarsely once it is cooled. It's cool now. enough. So I transfer this peanuts and til into this jar, and we need to grind it coarsely, powder it, not grind, powder it coarsely. Transfer it here. So this is a coarsely ground powder of peanuts and til. Scrape off the edges and transfer some here and add the powdered jaggery into it. And I will run it once again so that it gets mixed properly. Just to have a proper mix. Now transfer it here. And mix well. Give a good mix so that the jaggery and peanut powder gets mixed well. Now to this let's add some cardamom powder. Peanuts have their flavor, but cardamom powder and nutmeg will enhance the flavor. So let us grate some nutmeg. And again we mix it well. We can increase the quantity of jaggery if you want sweeter holiges. The filling is ready. The puran for the holiges is ready here. So our next procedure is to roll out the holiges. So I take this and some dry flour. Take a small, less than a lime size of dough. Make a small ball. Press it and dip it in the dry flour. Sprinkle some dry flour here and then gently roll. Take a tablespoon of filling. Put it inside here and seal this firmly. Take it out, press it, dip in the flour and roll it. Roll it as thin as you can. You can see the traces of peanuts. So we heat this pan here. Keep it on slow flame and carefully place this in the pan. Fry it slightly from both the sides. Turn it. So we can see these small bubbles coming up. It's puffing up. We can add some ghee or oil. Now this is optional. If you feel like having it with ghee, you can sprinkle some ghee. Turn it. Even we can add oil or melted butter. Turn it. So it's golden brown here, slightly golden brown in color. I transfer it into a plate here. So once again we repeat the procedure. Take a small ball of the dough, roll it, press it in the dry flour, roll it, and place a tablespoon of the filling inside here in the center. Fold it, press this way and seal it. Take it out carefully. Add some more dry flour and roll it evenly. You got to be gentle, otherwise the filling can come out. So we just gently roll it. Roll it as much as thin we can. Okay. We lift it carefully and place in the heated tawa. Let the tawa be on low flame. Lift this carefully and place in the pan here. Slightly fry on both sides. Some ghee to enhance the flavor. Turn it, flip it. We see these small bubbles. The jaggery inside is also heated up and gets melted. So some ghee, flip it again. So we see this again, this nice brown color. So it's almost done. Flip it and take it out and place it here. So we have these Puran Polis, the holiges, the peanut holiges ready. They are light golden brown in color and they really look yummy and tasty.
ಕಡಲೆಕಾಯಿ ಹೋಳಿಗೆ. ಕಡಲೆಕಾಯಿ ಹೋಳಿಗೆ ತಯಾರಿಸಲು ಬೇಕಾಗುವ ಸಾಮಗ್ರಿಗಳು: 3/4 ಕಪ್ ಗೋಧಿ ಪುಡಿ, 2 ಚಮಚ ಮೈದಾ ಪುಡಿ, ರುಚಿಗೆ ತಕ್ಕಷ್ಟು ಉಪ್ಪು, ಅರ್ಧ ಕಪ್ ತುಪ್ಪ, 3/4 ಕಪ್ ಕಡಲೆ ಬೀಜ, 2 ಚಮಚ ಬಿಳಿ ಎಳ್ಳು, ಅರ್ಧ ಕಪ್ ಪುಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ ಬೆಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏಲಕ್ಕಿ ಪುಡಿ, 1/4 ಚಮಚ ನಟ್ಮಗ್ ಪೌಡರ್. ಕಡಲೆಕಾಯಿ ಹೋಳಿಗೆ ತಯಾರಿಸುವ ವಿಧಾನ: ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಗೋಧಿ ಪುಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮೈದಾ ಪುಡಿಗೆ ರುಚಿಗೆ ತಕ್ಕಷ್ಟು ಉಪ್ಪು ಹಾಕಿ ನೀರಿನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಲಟ್ಟಿಸಲು ಬೇಕಾದ ಹದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬದಿಗಿಡಿ. ಕಡಲೆ ಬೀಜ, ಎಳ್ಳು ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು ಹದವಾದ ಉರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹುರಿದು ಮಿಕ್ಸಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಪುಡಿ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಪುಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕಡಲೆ ಬೀಜ ಎಳ್ಳು ಮಿಶ್ರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಒಂದು ಸುತ್ತು ಪುಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈ ಪುಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮಿಶ್ರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಟ್ಮಗ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಏಲಕ್ಕಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಕಲಸಿ. ಈಗ ಲಟ್ಟಿಸಲು ಇಟ್ಟ ಗೋಧಿ ಮೈದಾ ಹಿಟ್ಟನ್ನ ಚಪಾತಿ ಆಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಲಟ್ಟಿಸಿ ಪುಡಿ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಟ ಸಿಹಿ ಕಡಲೆ ಮಿಶ್ರಣವನ್ನ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಮುದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎರಡನೇ ಬಾರಿ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಲಟ್ಟಿಸಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ಉರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತುಪ್ಪದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಕಾಯಿಸಿರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿಯ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಸಿಹಿ ಕಡಲೆ ಹೋಳಿಗೆಯು ರೆಡಿ.
Hope you all have enjoyed this special episode of Sankranti with me. I wish you all a happy and a peaceful Sankranti. See you all next week with some more quick and interesting recipes. Till then, happy cooking!